What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant WAN 185 error code that is happening for many users and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about, just go over here, search for the run command, then press enter. This time we need to type ncpa.cpl. Now go for OK. And right now select the Wi-Fi which one you are connected and go to the properties. Now from here, if you find IPv6, if it is checked, most probably this might be selected. If it is checked, you have to uncheck it and go for OK, and you have to close this. Next one, just go over here, search for the CMD, go for run as administrator and go for yes. And this time we need to copy and paste each commands. So the first one, that is netsh winsock reset. So we have to paste it, press enter. Then move for the next one, that is netsh ip reset, paste it and done with enter. Go for the next one, that is ipv4 reset catalog, just press enter. Next one, go for the next one, that is ipconfig release. Now paste it, press enter. Go for the next one, ipconfig renew, copy, paste it, press enter. Go for the next one, ipconfig registerdns, copy, paste it. Next one, this particular one, copy, and we have to paste it, press enter. Next one, same this, copy one by one. We have to copy and paste it one by one and press enter. Next one, int reset old, that's an important one. Just paste it, press enter. Next one, winsock reset, copy and we have to paste it, press enter. Next one, winsock reset catalog, just paste it, press enter. Next one, IP reset proxy. Now we need to go over here, copy, and we need to paste it and press enter. Once all done, just close everything over here. Then you have to do a restart and try launch the game, and you'll not be having the trouble. So this is what it is, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.